Good morning students. Today topic is problem solving of exercise 5.1. This exercise very long and important exercise. In this exercise 4 marks question will come in the board exam. So now I am taking today 25th question of this exercise, and this question many times come in the board exam. So now question here, examine the continuity of function is defined by function here first sin x minus cos x, or second here minus 1, limit here x does not equal to 0 and x equal to 0. I will check here if this function at x equal to 0 is continuous or not. So now start the question here. Solution start. At this function x equal to 0, this is continuous or not. So first of all I will check a LHL, the limit x tend to 0 from left side. X tend to 0 from left side. Now this value x equal to 0 is the exact value. This function less than 0, more than 0, the function will be this. Or this value, this function minus 1 will be exact 0. So this will be not included here. This function of minus 1 including only when value of the x equal to 0, not left, not right. So when taking the left and right, left side and right side, the function will be count this. So sin x minus cos x. Function fx. Now limit x tend to from left side sin x minus cos x. Again limit s tend to 0. Left side will be removing approach to origin here. Then we sin 0 minus h, and similarly cos 0 minus h. The limit here s tend to 0, sin minus theta is minus sin theta, and cos theta is equal to cos theta. According to trigonometry here, sin minus theta minus sin theta, or cos minus theta here, cos theta. So this minus same here. Using the limit here, so this will be minus sin 0 and minus cos 0. This is value minus 1. Sin 0 is 0, sin 0 is 0, minus cos 0 is 1. This answer is equal to minus 1. Similarly here, RHL, limit x tend to 0 from right side fx. Limit x tend to 0 from right side, function will become both time here, sin x minus cos x. Now look here, LHL functions, the LHL and RHL function both time will take taking this now, because second function value when x equal to 0, not LHL not RHL, when exact value of the 0, and this function will become LHL and RHL, that does not 0. You can using LHL and RHL both sides. And now the limit s tend to 0 to sin 0 plus h minus cos 0 plus h. Here limit h tend to 0 sin h and minus cos h. Using limit here, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Answer is already here minus 1. So LHL value and RHL value can give same. This is the LHL value of the minus 1 or RHL value here minus 1. So both are equal. Then find the value of the function. So now function f x0. So now this function x equal to 0, function equal to directly minus 1 here. This is the constant function here. This is the constant function here. When x equal to 0, value of the function is minus 1. Then f equal to 0, value. So three values are same. LHL now to show LHL equal RHL equal f minus 1 f0 equal f0 equal to minus 1. To show f is continuous at x equal to 0. Means now look here, ये add is equal to 0, x greater than 0 and x less than 0. Now every point you can say here f is continuous, x equal to 0, x greater than 0 or x less than 0, means every point of the 0. Where is the negative more than 0, less than 0 or value of the 0? Then 3 point is the value is continuous the function. Now this function is continuous every point of the 0 more than, less than and equal to a point of the 0. The very simple question this. In this type question come in the 4 marks in the board exam. Now note down it. Yes student, next question I am taking question number 26, the same exercise. Find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at given point fx. Fx function are given k cos x upon pi minus 2x if x does not equal to pi by 2. Second function is 3 if x equal to pi by 2, or you will check here the function, this function you will check here at x equal to pi by 2, this function is continuous or not. The same process of solving LHL, RHL and value of the function if come is the same, then you then find the value of k here, then find the value k, continuous condition here given, condition here given, then you find the value of k here. So now using the continuous condition and find the value of k. Now start solution. Add x equal to pi by 2. Now LHL, limit x tend to pi by 2 from left side, pi by 2 from left side, and fx, limit x tend to pi by 2 from left side. Function, this function will be not count because this is the exact value pi by 2. LHL and RHL both are using this function, LHL and RHL. Then k cos x upon pi minus 2x. Similarly, limit x tend to pi by 2 from, this is s tend to 0. S tend to 0, k cos pi by 2 minus h upon pi minus 2 pi by 2 minus h. Then solve it. Limit s tend to 0, k here same, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, cos 90 minus theta here sin theta, and pi here same, 2 is to multiply, there you have left only pi and minus plus 2h. This 2 multiply inside, this 2 cancel and here 2. Pi se pi cancel here. The limit s tend to 0, k upon 2 sin h upon h. Sin h upon h. Our value of this sin theta upon theta is equal to 1. It means k upon 2 equal to 1. Answer k upon 2. According to property of this sin theta upon theta, when limit s tend to 0, sin theta upon theta equal to 1, is value of this, k upon 2 into 1 equal to k upon 2. This is value of the LHL. Similarly, find the RHL here. RHL, limit x tend to pi by 2 from right side fx. The limit x tend to pi by 2 from right side, function will become same here, cos x upon pi minus 2x. Function will become the same here. Limit s tend to 0, k cos pi by 2 plus h and pi minus 2 pi by 2 plus h. Look here, RHL limit, then we are using the plus sign here. Then limit s tend to 0, here k cos 90 plus theta means second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative sign. So this will come here minus sine theta. Cos 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta, cos 90 first quadrant and plus theta means second quadrant. So cos 90 plus theta means second quadrant cos is negative. So sine minus sine theta, and same multiply here pi minus 2h. This will be cancelled here. The limit as tend to 0 minus k upon minus 2, or similarly sin h upon h. This minus will be cancelled here. What is left? K upon 2 into 1. Answer is k upon 2. Here now look here, LHS value and RHS value are same. Then next find. Now for function f pi by 2. When value of the f pi by 2, value of the function is 3, then you using here 3. So this is the value. But now given condition here, this function is continuous. This function here continuous means then find the value of the k. The given condition, the LHL equal RHL equal f pi by 2. Then we put in the value ky2 equal ky2 equal 3. LHL, RHL and function value. Using this, any two using this, ky2 equal 3, k equal 6. The value of the k is 6. This is your answer. So how to any question here, find the value k, find the value of lambda, find the value of a, b, c, any value you can find. So then using the condition of given condition here, LHL, RHL and function, the value of the function. So this, suppose you are finding any value here, then continuous condition will be given. Then using this condition here and then find the value of the any value k, lambda, a, b, c, then any value you can find. So every question you can solve in this way. In this type question come in the 4 marks question in board exam. Yes, not on it. Yes, students, I am taking next question here. In this exercise, question number 30. This question also important questions and different type questions. Solving method is same that, but different type questions. Find the value of the a and b. Here find two value of the a and b such that the function define function here 3 function 5 ax plus b and 21. Limit here 2 less than equal to 2 more than less than 10 and 10 more than and equal to is continuous, means this function is continuous in this limit. This function is continuous in this limit in 2 and between 10. So this function is continuous. Now how to solve this question, how to find the value of a and b, but condition here given this function is continuous. Now using this condition and find the value of a and b. So now start solution. Similarly, at x equal to 2. First I will check in 2. We are looking 2 less than equal to 2 and more than equal to 2. Here first we will check the 2, then check the 10. First LHL equal to limit x tend to 2 from left side function fx. Limit x tend to 2 from left side. The left side limit less than limit. Those are limit the function directly are 5. The value of equal to 5. Here no any x here, then directly write here 5. Your work is complete. Then you write here. Similarly RHL, here limit x tend to 2 from right side function fx. Limit x tend to 2 from right side fx means more than value 2. This more than 2 means right side, the ax plus b, ax plus b. This will become here limit x tend to 0, x tend to 0, and here convert a 2 minus h plus b. In x place we are writing 2 minus h. This is 2 limit here and h tend to minus 0 here. So using this limit s tend to 0, 2a minus 2h plus b. Using limit here, when putting there 0, this will become convert 0, 2a minus b. What is left here? 2a plus b. The value of this term will be 0 here. Similarly here, this is the LHL, this is the RHL. And given here condition given, if this function is continuous, a value of function is f, value of the function here f2, value of the function is f2 equal sign here, then is equal to 5. So now f is continuous at x equal to 2. This is given. I am not saying this is given. So then LHL equal RHL equal function f2. This will become your 5 equal 2a plus b equal 5. Now we make any two using this. So now 2a plus b equal 5. This is the equation first. At x equal to 2, we are finding the value of finding your equation first. First equation we are finding the at limit x equal to 2. Similarly, second equation we will find the at x equal to 10. Then solving it and find the value a and b. Now and at x equal to 10, second limit. Similarly, LHL limit x tend to 10 from left side. So this function here, limit x tend to 10 from left side, so means less than limit. Less than limit, then the function ax plus b. For 10, this is left hand side means less than limit of this, then using this. The limit s tend to 0, then it will become here 10 minus h plus b. So then limit s tend to 0, 10a minus ah plus b. So result will become here 10a plus b. After using the limit, this term will be converting 0. So what is left here? 10a plus b. This is value of LHL. Similarly, we find here RHL. RHL limit x tend to 10 from right side function. Limit x tend to 10 from right side. A right side function means more than value. Right side means more than side. The more than side function here 21. And this will become here 21. This function also continuous because given here, but then given condition here, given LHL equal RHL equal function f10. So one more we will find here f10. Value of the f10 not find here. Let's find the value f10. First value of now, value of f10. When equal sign here, f10 is equal to 21. Then given here LHL equal RHL equal f10. The value of this LHL is 10 a plus b equal 21 equal 21. Now using this 10 a plus b equal 21. This is the equation second. This is from limit x equal to 10 the equation first, and at x limit x equal to 10 will equation second. Solving equation first and second, then find the value of a and b. So now from equations 2a plus b equal from equation first. Now solving it, subtracting it, then sign this we cancel here. 10 2 minus 8a equal to 2016 a equal to 2. Value of the a equal to 2. Putting the value a first and second anyone, then find the value of b. You use the using the value of a or any equation first and second, then find the value of. So now from first, so 2 into 2 plus 5 equal to 5. B equal 5 minus 4. Value of b equal 1. This is the value of the b. This is your answer. Value of the a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. So now you can check here. So 2 1 2 2 4 1 5. So this is satisfactory. Both sides are equal. Value of the a 2 2 2 4. Value of the b is 1. So 2 2 4 1 5. The right side value is 5. Means your answer is correct. You can check this answer is correct or not. Means putting these values in any question first and second, then find the in LHS, then check the value RHS or not coming. So this question is important question and the last question of this exercise. And every question in this type question you will solve in this way. Suppose find the value a and b, and in this type question given here and continuous condition given here, the first equation at first limit make the first equation, from second limit make the second equation, solving both equations, then find the value of ABC, alpha, beta, k, any value given, then you can find it. Yes, no doubt.